What's up, fucking nerds? I felt like cooking some shit, so we're doing another Cooking with Zeus. Today's gonna be buffalo, probably pan-fried chicken breasts. It's gonna be awesome. Check it out. First off, get some spices, put them in a bowl. Sprinkle it all over your chicken, like a bunch, and then just kind of let it hang out. Put some oil in a pan. Doesn't have to be good oil, you're just frying chicken. Now that your chicken's been kicking it with your seasonings and whatnot, come over here, get a bowl of egg wash, which is like milk and eggs. You can put some seasoning in there too. And then a big tub of China white heroin. If you have extra seasoning, just mix it in with your heroin, because you're gonna want to taste that shit. There we go. Put your chicken in the egg wash. And, you know, like, wash it. Alright, so once you drop them in there, right, and then roll them around in there, and get them all covered like a powdered donut, drop them in your oil. Make sure it's heated right. I don't actually know how to do that, so I put it on about 6. Anyways, just keep them turning. I'm going to have to flip these in like 2 seconds. Here's a life hack. While this shit is frying, make yourself a dry rack. Take a pan, cover it in foil so you don't have to clean that bitch, and then take an extra oven rack and put it on top. All the grease drips down into the pan and your chicken stays bomb. Keep checking them. This one here is about done. Uh-oh. This is what you want. Look at this fucking bad boy right here. Hold up. Fuck. That's some good shit. And let me guess. You thought we were done. Guess again, bitch. We're making sandwiches. Kaiser roll, go. Amazing. Man, that bad boy was really smoking. It's a good thing I bought a house with no smoke detectors. Grill up some onions if you're into that. If you're feeling a little sassy, you can toast your buns too. Cut off a piece that's about sandwich size, right? Boom. Throw some grilled onions on there. I'm a big fan of grilled peppers. Some mayo or ranch, if that's your thing. And a generous amount of buffalo sauce. Then you grab your spinach. If lettuce was the valley girl you dated freshman year, spinach is like her hot roommate that listens to Slayer. And that right there is how you make a badass pan-fried buffalo chicken sandwich. This is ridiculous. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Zeus. I'm glad you came, phrasing. Next week, we're going to be delving into the question that every hipster might be asking themselves. Can I eat vegan every single day and still enjoy it? The answer may not surprise you. It's no.
I like turtles.